Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Aries. We'll be picking one card, guys, for your daily reading. So this is for your daily reading. For your love reading, I'll be picking 3 cards and 1 card from the Oracle Guidance deck, Aries. So these are for your love reading, guys. So 3 cards from this deck and 1 card from this Wisdom Oracle deck, guys. So we will keep the card here and we will open the card for our daily reading first, Aries. So let us see what it is. It is Ace of Sons in reverse, guys. With this card, Aries, in your situation today, you have to think deeply, guys, what you need and what is your plan of action. Only then you will be able to complete it successfully. So you have to think twice before you take up the next step in life. Maybe if you are moving towards some new venture today, you need to think deeply whether you want it, whether you want to start it, because sometimes things may not go well, guys. This may relate to your personal life also. Maybe this new connection, you want a new connection, you have to think twice before you go for this person. So deep thought, what is this card calls for, and it also stands for some kind of suspensions or delays in your work situation. So if you're making some new choice in life today, you have to think, guys, maybe sometimes it may not go as planned, so you have to wait for the right time. This may not be the right time, guys. Aries, that is what I see with this card here. So what are these cards for your relationship, guys? It's Knight of Cups, the Magician, and the Strength. So in this relationship with this person, you have that inspiration and confidence to deal with your situation, and you are a person of great creativity and skill. So you are able to progress a step forward in your life with that great potential to reach success, guys. That is what I see. So again, in your relationship, again, guys, you are a person who is able to work magic in your relationship, work towards that greater understanding, compatibility, maybe, guys. That is what these cards stand for. And you are a person of calmness and composure, patience. That is what I see with this card. Maybe patience is the reason for your success, guys, in your connection. You are very patient, and even though some situation when it stresses you, you control yourself and you respond in a positive way instead of reacting. That may be the reason that you are able to build that happiness and emotional fulfillment with this person in this connection, guys. So the way you are, that is what I see. And this is a time of great passion and success in your relationship, guys, and you are moving forward towards that understanding, compatibility, intimacy, and love. So you may go for engagement or marriage, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Aries. So what is the oracle's guidance for you all, guys? So this card may or may not relate to your personal life situation, but it is a guidance. So if we follow this guidance, it may make things go in a better way, guys. So let us see what is the card. Never ending story. So with this card, guys, in our career situation or personal life, we have to go for that clarity in our situation. We have to go for that clearing up of our past. Sometimes when we are in this connection, guys, we may be hurt not because of what that other person is doing. We may feel hurt for some complex reasons. Maybe shame, fear of intimacy, and low self esteem are the greatest challenges, guys, we face in our relationship. So we have to take that opportunity to heal ourselves, stop telling ourselves the same story, something of our past. So when we keep repeating the same story of the past, we will never be able to let go of the past, forgive ourselves, and move forward in life, guys. So we have to stop that self criticism and that wounded ego that we have, and stop these unnecessary dramas that we keep enacting for ourselves. So that is what this card is about. Same way in our career also, maybe the fear, envy that we have in our work situation, greed, whatever that is, we have to give all that up. So that past failures, whatever we have experienced, the financial insecurities, we have to just take that lessons, guys, not those hurtful memories. So when we do that, when we stop telling ourselves the same sad story again and again, we are helping ourselves to move forward in life towards great potential. So that is what this card is about, Aries, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye.